In the heart of Stamford, Connecticut, where businesses thrive and excellence is the norm, one company stands out for its commitment to cleanliness and professionalism. Welcome to Maintenance One, where every detail is addressed, and cleanliness is our top priority. At Maintenance One, we understand that cleanliness is more than just a surface-level concern. It's about creating an environment where productivity can flourish and well-being is paramount. That's why we specialize in detail cleaning, ensuring unparalleled cleanliness that exceeds your expectations. Our floor and window care services leave your space looking pristine, mirroring the quality and excellence your clients expect. And with our daytime cleaning services, we integrate into your schedule, ensuring a clean and comfortable space without disruption. After hours, our dedicated team works tirelessly to make sure your space is ready for a new day of operations. At Maintenance One, your place, our purpose isn't just a slogan, it's a commitment we uphold with every client, every day. We believe in using environmentally friendly products and efficient cleaning techniques to exceed your expectations and elevate our standard of service. So why settle for anything less than excellence? Choose Maintenance One for hassle-free care and unlock a cleaner, safer, and more productive environment. Your place is our purpose.